Mustang. I love all your movies and shows. And I have Roblox on my TV. That's the game I love. And I also love my daddy's glasses and my daddy's pants.
And Daddy loves you.
And then like you can put the seats down or up, there's only 2 seats. So goodbye.
Goodbye. Now we are taking my son Gabriel, who is 5, off to daycare. So we're just gonna let you guys ride along. Are you pumped to go to school, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. So we've had this car for, what's it been now, about 4 weeks, Bubs?
What?
How long have we owned the Mustang for? About 4 weeks?
We owned the Mustang for ever.
Oh, we owned it forever. So I think what we'll do right now is we are going to reset the miles per gallon and see what we get just normal driving. Right now Gabriel's watching Dan TDM on YouTube. That's one of his favorite guys. So basically, the most of the time I've been averaging about 18 to 18 and a half miles per gallon. On the highway, I've seen up to 30 miles per gallon. It's really hard because with the turbo, you just want to keep dipping into the boost because it's fun. So right now it says 21.9 miles per gallon. Yes. Oh, I'll talk. What's up, buddy? How's your show going? Yeah, so right now we're at 21.1 miles per gallon average. This car, if you're thinking you're gonna get good gas mileage, you're really not, especially in the city. But if you're on a highway trip, I would see no reason you wouldn't be able to average 30 miles per gallon for sure. We just hit 24 miles per gallon. And this is on premium fuel. What else do you like about the Mustang, buddy? Oh, you don't. Oh, are you being camera shy? I love you too.
That's all
It's okay, Bubs. You can say whatever you want. Do you like that it's fast? I think I picked the wrong lane here. I guess they're all the wrong lane. Nobody's moving. Right now it's saying 23.2.
What?
And since I just hit the gas now, it's down to 21.4. Up just a little bit, 22.7 miles per gallon. It's still going up. I found with this car, to keep myself from speeding all the time, I try to utilize the cruise control a lot. .5 miles per gallon. So I guess, yeah, the reason I probably usually average around 18 is because I like to put my foot into it a lot. It's fun. Ooh, we just hit 24 miles per gallon. That's pretty good. We're almost there, Bubba. So it looks like with my son in the car, I drive a lot more laid back and definitely more safe, of course. So it looks like the average is 24 miles a gallon. That's not bad considering it's 310 horsepower. And the weight of the car is probably, I don't know exactly, I think it's around 3,500 pounds. So if you drive easy and you're light on the throttle, you can definitely average 24 in the city. Well, we're about to pull up to the school now, so we're out of here. You want to say bye, Gabriel?
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Son's out of the car now. Now we can play a little bit. Let's see here. Track apps. Acceleration timer 0-60. Automatic start. A little bit uphill there. I would say that's about an average time I get. My best is 6.1. A lot of times I hit 6.5. Acceleration in this car feels really good. Throws you back in the seat a bit.